Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will see the seven wonders of the world. These places are very special and beautiful. People built them many years ago. They show how smart and hard work humans are. Let us start. Number 1. Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is very long. This is one of the longest wall in this world. People built this wall to stop enemies. They used stone, brick, and mud. The wall runs over the hills and mountains. It is a great example of human effort. Number 2. Petra, Jordan. Petra is an old city in Jordan. It is cut into red rocks. People built Petra more than 2000 years ago. It was a place for buying and selling goods. The buildings in Petra look very beautiful. Many visitors come to see it. Number 3. Colosseum, Italy. The Colosseum is in Rome, Italy. It is a big round building. Long ago, people watched fights here. Many people could sit inside. Even today, the Colosseum is very strong. It shows the power of the old Rome. Number 4. Chichen Itza, Mexico. Chichen Itza in Mexico. It was built by a Maya people. The main building is a big step pyramid. It was used for prayer and timekeeping. This place shows how clever the Maya peoples were. Number 5. Machu Picchu, Peru. Machu Picchu is one of the high mountain in Peru. It is an old city. People built it using big stones. No cement was used. The city was hidden for many years. It is now one of the most visited places. Number 6. Taj Mahal, India. The Taj Mahal is in India. It is made of white marbles. A king built it for his wife. His name is Mumtaz. It shows love and care. The Taj Mahal looks very nice in the morning and evening sunlight. Number 7. Christ the Redeemer, Brazil. This statue is in Brazil. It stands on a tall hill. The statue shows peace and kindness. Its arms are open. People from all over the world visit this place. These are the seven wonders of the world. Each one is special in its own way. They tell us about the past. They also show human skills. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.